Hello everyone, welcome to General Education. Today we're going to discuss on S-related questions by using ratios, proportion methods. In the first question we have Rohit's grandfather was 5 times older to him 5 years ago. His grandfather will be 2 times of his age after 25 years from now. What is the ratio of Rohit's age to that of grandfather? We have Rohit here, we have grandfather here. 5 years ago that is past. This is 5 years ago and this one is present. In the past it was 1:5 because grandfather is 5 times of Rohit's age 5 years ago. So we have present, we do not know. We have after 25 years, that is future. The ratio between Rohit and grandfather will be 1:2 because grandfather is 2 times of Rohit's after 25 years. So now let us take the difference between Rohit and grandfather because we know that the age difference between two persons will always be constant. So here 1 5 we have 4 gap here, 1 and 2 we have 1 gap here. It is not same, so let's make them equal by multiplying by 4. Here 4, here 4, that is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Now let us say the gap between the past and future, that is 5 here. Here we have 8 here, that is 3 unit here, and in this side we have 5 years ago and 25 years later. The gap is 30 years, so this 3 unit is 30 years, and then 3 times the 30 here multiplied by 10. Here we have to multiply here by 10 if we want to get the s past s of Rohit and grandfather. It's 10 years and 50 years here. Now the s of Rohit's s 5 years ago is 10 years and grandfather's s 5 years ago is 50 years. Now the present s will be here plus 5, here plus 5, that is 10 plus 5 is 15, and 50 plus 5 is 55, and the ratio will be 5, 3 is 15, 505, 505. So 3:11 is the correct answer, hence option A is the correct answer. In the next question we have the ratio of present s of Ram and Shivam is 7:9. If 12 years ago the ratio of their ages was 5:7, then find the ratio of their s 12 years from now. Here Ram, here Shivam, present s ratio is we have 7:9, and 12 years ago, here 12 years, that is past, it was 5:7. Now let us take the s gap between Ram and Shivam, that is 2 units here it is 2 units, hence it is balanced. Now let us take the difference between past and present. Here past it is 7, present it is 9, gap is 2, and here gap is 12 years, that is 12 years. So 2 6 are 12. So now we can get the present s, that is multiply her by 6, multiply her by 6, 6 times are 42, 9 6 are 54. So 42 and 54 is the present s of Ram and Shivam respectively. So now the question is saying 12 years from now, that is plus 12, plus 12, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 4, 4, 5, now 5, 6, 9 is 54, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, so 9:7, 9:11 is the correct answer, hence option B is the correct option. In the next question we have ratio of present s of A and B is 5:4, and the ratio of present s of A and C is 8:9. If the difference between the s of A and C is 5 years, then find the sum of s of A, B, and C after 11 years. Here we have present A is to B is 4:5. Here also we have A is to C, we have 8:9. Here A value is 4 and A value is here is 8. Now we have to make them equal by multiplying by 2 here. It is 4 to the 8, we have 2, 10, 5 to the 10. Now the ratio is A, B, C, 8:10:9. The question is saying the difference between the s of A and C is 5 years. So this A is 8, C is 9. The difference is 1 unit. So 1 unit is 5 years. That is multiply here by 5. So, and then the present s of all of them will be into 5 here. 5 is a 40 here into 5. That is 50 here. Then here into 5, that is 5 9 is 45. This is the present s of A, B, and C. The question is saying after 11 years, so we have 11 plus 11 here, 1, 5 plus 11 here, 1, 6. Here we have 11 here, that is 6, 6. Now the total s of A, B, and C after 11 years will be 57 plus 61 plus 66 is equal to 168 years. So option A is the correct answer. In the next question, we have the ratio between the ages of two friends P and Q is 7:9. If P is 10 years younger than Q, and after X years, the ratio of their ages will be 4:5. Then find the value of X. Here we have two friends P and Q. The ratio two friends that is present is we have 7:9. 7:9, this is present, and then after X years there is X years, there's future here, and their ratio will be 4:5. Now let us check the gap between P and Q. Here we have 2 here, where we have 1 here. It is not equal, so let us make them equal by multiplying by 2. Here 2, 2, that is 4 to the 8. Now we have 5 to the 10. Here we have 10 here. The question is saying P is younger than Q by 10 years. That is here. PS is 7 and QS is 9, and the gap is 2 years. So P is younger than Q by 2 units. So this 2 unit is we have 10 years. That is 2, 5 to 10. So find the value of X, means here we have the value will be this gap, that is 1 unit. So 1 unit will be 5 years. So therefore X equal to 5 years. So option A is the correct answer. Here in the last question, we have the present age of Saksi is 5/4 time of her age at the time of her marriage, and 5, and her son is 1/5 of her age. Saksi married 6 years ago. Find the ratio of Saksi's age to that of son's age. I want to represent Saksi's present as SP, and Saksi's S during her marriage is SM, and son will be SON. So the question is saying the present S is 5/4. That means 5 here, we have 4 here. Then the question is also saying the son is 1/5 of her S, so son, and then present S of Saksi be 1:5. Here now let us check the S of present S of Saksi. We have 5 here, we have 5 here, hence it is balanced. So the ratio between the present S of Saksi and then Saksi during her marriage and then son will be 5:4:1. Now the question is saying Saksi married 6 years ago. That is Saksi is married here, and here this one is Saksi present, this one is 6 years. From now we have understood that the difference between the marriage, the age of Saksi during her marriage and the present age of Saksi is 6 years. So now we have 5 here, we have 4 here. The difference is 1 unit, and this 1 unit is 6 years. So now the present age will be the 6 years, 6 5 the 30 years is the present age of Saksi, and then the son age will be into 6 is 6 years. Now the question is saying to find the ratio of the Saksi age to her son after 10 years. So plus 10 years, that is 40 years, and here we have plus 10, that is 16 years, and the ratio will be 40:16, that is 4:10, 4 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 2 to the 4, therefore 5:2 is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and share, please. Thank you.